Hi guys, this is Wana from the Midnight Mouse, and today I received my Doll Zone package, and here I have the Judgement. I'm so excited for this. So let's unbox it together. Oh wow, I did not expect the album. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's see. Wow, this is beautiful. I love Doll Zone and Dream Valley. They're so different. Oh, gorgeous pictures. Oh, guys. Oh, I really like it. Thank you for the gift. Thank you. All the beautiful dolls. I know they're creepy, but I love them. I would love to have this guy though. And the Judgment. She's so beautifully sculpted. Ah, it's beautiful. Yeah, let's see. So we have the booklet with the carrying guide, basically. The certificate of authenticity, and it's heavy. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is metal. This was the heavy part, and it's metal. It's an engraved tag. Wow. Beautiful card and the certificate. She's full of surprises. I also have some shoes from Alice's collections. Is this size, and these are the shoes. I see if they will fit Dream Valley or Smart Doll. These will fit Smart Doll for sure, but we'll see if they will fit Dream Valley as well. Those feet are big. No, these are beautiful and elegant. And the second pair are some sneakers, I would say. Oh, I love the details, they're beautiful. And look at the laces. this might fit Dream Valley. What else? Ooh, I have eyes in sanding paper. Oh, I love these eyes. Oh, are beautiful. Okay. Are these extra feet? Oh my god, these are extra feet. I was actually quite sad that I did not have the option to purchase extra feet for the high heels or flats. I don't remember well which are the default ones. Oh, these are the flats. And I guess that she comes with high heels. Oh, this is amazing. Look at these feet. Look at the detail. Just look at the detail. Oh wow. Extra patty. Wow, she's quite tall and thin. She doesn't have a face up, just heads up. But let's admire her body first. Wow, the details are amazing. This is why I love this body. And look at those feet. And the high heels. I love them. Actually, are more ballet feet. She is close to a fashion doll, to those Russian fashion dolls. And the grade of detail of her body. Oh, look at these hands. This is amazing. Now let's see. She's very tight at the chest, not much movement. But I don't know, she looks so natural. Let's see her back. Her back. She's quite tight. Oh, I love her. I love the details. Okay, let's see her head. Look at the beautiful face. Look how cute she is and delicate. Oh, not okay, so we can lean forward. I'll have to suede it, but back not much, not so much. She's amazing. Oh my god, she's precious. I love her. Thank you for watching.